Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you could probably tell by the thumbnail and the title, this is a Dollar Tree haul in which I went crazy on the cactus. So I did show these in my last Dollar Tree haul, which by the way, thank you so much to everyone who's probably watching this video. You probably watched that video and that video was such a success for my small channel. So I do want to say hello to everyone who's new, who found me through that video, and thank you to my old subscribers because new people don't find my videos unless you guys watch them. So just hello and thank you to everybody new and old. I so appreciate you here on my channel. But like I said, or maybe I didn't say, I don't know, I've tried to film this like 100 times. I showed these in my previous haul, but I did not buy them because I didn't have a use for them in my mind at that point. But now I realize that these are perfect for a bridal shower that is fiesta, kind of Mexican theme that I'm helping with. So I'll insert a picture on what I plan on doing with these. I got all the cactuses that they had, plus some succulents, and the ones that are have the fruit on top, they look like this, kind of up close. And pardon my nails, I need to get them redone. But the only thing that is so weird about these is, I don't know if you can see the top here, if my camera will focus. I don't know if it'll focus. It's like hair, like doll hair. It's so weird. You can probably see it there. So yeah, they come in pink and orange and yellow. There's also this version. And it is like a real sand down there, but it's just on top of some styrofoam, and these are plastic. My favorite one that they only had one left of was this one for sure. This one is too cute. I am definitely going to pick more of these up if I can find them at another store. And then you guys have already seen these succulents. These look so real. I sent these pictures of all of these to the maid of honor, and she was in disbelief that these were fake, first of all, and that they were from Dollar Tree, because she's like, oh, clearly I overpaid for my fake succulents. So yeah, here's the aloe plant, and like I said, I'll insert a picture on what I plan to do with these. I also made a bridal bouquet. Maybe I'll insert a picture of that as well and talk about it in a future video. Next, I found some really cute new Easter signs. I also took pictures and video of everything new in the store that I will insert at the end. But how adorable and like farmhouse is this sign? It says, "Welcome to our home," in the cutest text. This is galvanized here. This is that thick cardboard wood stuff. There is a jute twine hanger. It's an uneven edge. This is galvanized metal on both the bottom. This is just like imaging of galvanized metal, but it's just the cardboard, and this is so cute. They also had this in another style that I didn't get. I just love this. I feel like this is so me for Easter, although I do plan to kind of glam up for Easter this year, you guys, so it's gonna be a definite mix of both farmhouse and glam. The next Easter sign that I found, I don't think I saw this last year, but I could be wrong. It is another one of these like uneven kind of rustic signs with the cute glittery bunny that pops off with the, I guess that's burlap, a burlap bow, and it says, "We believe in the Easter bunny." I think this is really cute. However, I do think I could spruce it up to be more my style. So what I'm hoping to get the time to do is to kind of peel this bunny off, if I can find a way to maybe like chisel it off, and then flip this over and kind of make it more like this with like the white distressing and the wood planks, and then maybe put the bunny on this side, or maybe make it look like a chalkboard. I don't know. Oops, sorry, I just bumped the camera. So yeah, there were other signs. Like I said, I will definitely put pictures and videos at the end. I also picked up 2 more of each size of these tins that I hauled in my last video. I just got these for a friend, but I thought I would show you again in case you haven't seen that video. They do have these at Dollar Tree, and the handles on these ones are fully intact. They feel sturdy. I double checked because in my last video one fell off, so I really love these. I think these are a great buy. I also found this size for the first time. Now, I want to say my good friend here on YouTube, Miranda Christine, hauled something like this last summer, like going into fall, and I was on such a hunt for it and I couldn't find it. And now they have it back out. I think before it said Fleurs and Garden or Fleurs and Planter. I don't know what it said. It was something different, but essentially the same thing. So I know, Miranda, you're watching this. If it wasn't you, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it was you. And yeah, I just really love this. I think this will be so beautiful with some fluffy flowers in it, and then maybe pumpkins in the fall. Even though it says flowers, I don't care. So yeah, I just got one of these. I definitely see this sitting on top of my mantle with flowers in it for the spring and summer. I found the best artificial flowers on Amazon for $9, and they are, I think they're better than what I saw at Pier 1, what I saw at Pottery Barn, and you get like 6 really full fluffy heads of peonies. And I did like do a post here on YouTube. You can like do a post instead of a video, and I showed those on the DIY bridal bouquet that I made, which that is an unfinished one. It's completely updated now. So like I said, I might insert a picture, so you might have already seen the updated one, but this would be amazing with those faux flowers in it. So I'm really happy with this item. And how cute would it be to put like that thick nautical rope here to make it even more farmhouse? I love it. This next item that I found is a Travelocity phone case. I was so excited to see this. If there is one thing that I do not mind spending money on, it is phone cases that will actually protect my phone, because it's way more pricey to replace your phone or repair your phone if you break it. But I was really excited because this is the Travelocity brand. I can feel that it is a good quality case, and I only had to pay $1. So I'm used to spending more like $20 to $30 on a phone case, but it was really awesome to find this for $1. They did have it in a few colors. I think they were all like semi-transparent, like the, where does it say? Frosty maybe, or maybe they were clear, or maybe they were opaque. I can't really remember, but I did haul a Travelocity phone charger in my last video, so Dollar Tree is getting Travelocity cases. And yeah, as you can see, it's this flexible plastic, and this is what I like for my phone, because it really does feel like it absorbs the shock, and it goes all the way around so that it does cover. There is like a lip over the front screen, so I can't wait to put this on my phone. My case that I have on right now is so ratty. The last item of this haul is another part of that Hello collection that I showed in my last video. You guys are going crazy over that collection. I totally get it because it's so cute. I did pick up this little journal for a friend who was on the hunt for it, and the store is now cleared out of the collection, so it went pretty quickly. But yeah, this isn't for me, it's for a friend, but I thought I would show it to you anyways, because she really liked this one, so I'm assuming that a lot of you would really like it as well. So that is it for this Dollar Tree haul. Stick around because there are pictures and videos to come of what's in the store, and I will see you back in my next one. Bye guys! Okay, so here are some of the cute spring signs. This one has gold text. I remember these from last year. They come in a few different colors. And here is the other galvanized sign, and this next sign is one that I purchased and I love. They also have some other just kind of spring decorations and some more Easter yard stakes. I really like the egg. I think the chicks are cute too, and I really like how the bunny has hot pink ears. I think that's adorable. These little signs are actually tin. The flowers on top are tin, and then the kind of rippled borders are also tin. They're really, really cute. Dollar Tree has so many cute eggs, but I especially love the golden eggs. I think they're very chic. I literally gasped when I saw these little pails. They are made of a linen material on the outside and then like a gingham print on the inside, and they honestly look like something that you would get from Pottery Barn Kids. They're just so nice for being $1. I could not get over these. These little treat bags are also made out of a linen kind of material. You get 4 of them and they're adorable as well. So those are little candles. I also found a golden egg, and I only saw gold back there, no silver, but they were really, really nice. I did find the Plaster candle holders at this store. I noticed that these are on the Dollar Tree website though, so if you can't find them, you can order off the website. I saw more bamboo, some more cacti, and these adorable little lanterns. They come in a brushed silver and a brushed kind of tarnished looking gold. They have a tea light inside. You could spray paint these any color that you want. I also found the terrariums for the succulents. They're pretty big, and Do It on a Dime did a DIY with these, and she showed some that were pretty pricey online, so it's a great deal to get them from Dollar Tree. And they have some seashells for the summertime and some fun lights. It says garden, but I think that they're for indoor use only. I could be wrong. But they have a bunch of different little shapes that you can pick from, and that's what they look like lit up. I also found this makeup display, and I noticed they had a really deep foundation powder color, which I think is great because at Dollar Tree it's always very, very pale makeup, so it was nice to see some variety. Here's the phone case that I picked up. This is the pink version. There was also blue, and these new Trinket Trays are very, very cute. They are just cardboard, but they look nice. I think they look like they're plastic, and I just found some more party decorations. These would be fun for any kind of party this spring and summer. And everything else from here on out are just little odds and ends for spring and summer that I found. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you back in my next one. Bye guys.